recording.
You have something in your throat? No. Is that why you're on it? I'm kidding, stupid. Stupid. That's your sauce.
So?
I'm itchy now. Look at that, Chris. You mean your chicken is itchy? Yes.
Unless you're retarded.
Unless if you think that you're that chicken.
Then do the chicken dance.
Shut up, mine's asleep. Mine's asleep too.
Goku.
Mine's asleep in my shirt. Look. Look, Valerie's doing it now. Well, Valerie's just doing it now. Look.
You mean Goku?
Asshole. Look at my Valerie.
Want me to see it?
Yes.
Ow.
He's asleep. Where's she?
It.
Silly Rose.
Was
not going to sleep?
They go back to eating.
Man, you're mean. Leave her alone. She's tired. How do you know she's tired?
How do you know it's she?
I'm guessing. They're all hermaphrodites at the moment.
Aw, poor Goku.
He don't know what the hell he is. What if it's a girl, Valerie?
Amy.
That lady just told us that when they're like teenagers or whatever, that we can tell them apart. Yeah. By that.
Ooh, Goku.
Next week they're gonna be teenagers. Yeah, I said by next week. Next week they're gonna be teenagers. I don't know.
Jay says they
are.
chicken.
Jay says they are. That lady said next week they will. She said next week they'll change. So she said by next week you won't be able to.
And then the next week after they all die. I'm just kidding.
Do you hear mine?
Teenager.
We all just go by like, I'm blessed. Jesus.
What are you doing?
My chicken is blessed. Jesus.
You got cuddled up in the food.
I think that was trying to fall asleep in the food. Dr. Co. Are you falling asleep again? Come here, baby. Man, you're mean.
No more falling asleep in the food, Goku.
Dr. Co, wake up. Dr. Co fell asleep.
I was poking yours.
We better lose the strength.
Look at Goku.
No, they just taking Goku.
Me? Goku is angry.
But is Goku the one that's full of food on the side right there?
Yes.
Mommy said to clean up the mess we made.
Shut up. Goku's gonna blast you and kill you.
You can't even see where your little...
Yeah, he's gonna do Kamehameha. What?
You can't even see where your little...
Where's Goku Poopy? Where? Oh, where's Poopy?
Dr. Cook's falling asleep again. Look. Dr. Cook.
There's more sleepy chicken and food.
You know, when they're asleep, they're supposed to have them, like, really nice and warm. Because their mom sits on them to make them warm. Dr. Cook, she's on. Yeah, well, we can't sit on them. We'll kill them. So, yep. Yeah. Just keep them in your hands, like, against your body. They'll be, like, really warm. Jenny, you can't sit on here, stupid. I'm not.
Don't eat your chicken this bad.
Yes, it is. What?
What?
What? She said that eat your chicken. She said don't eat your chicken, it's bad. It's your, yes it is.
Chicken eater. Chicken eater.
I like chicken.
Let's look at that chicken
How
eater.
dare you say chicken like that in front of them? I know.
We should slap you.
I'm glad mine.
I would just spank you.
You should go to hell. Look at yours, Valerie. You're making a weird face.
Look at Goku. Are you gonna go poopy in the food again? Show Goku.
I think he is. Don't look at him if he is. Why?
That's nasty. Look at a chicken take a shit.
Oh, you're making my stomach. You laugh.
Hey, well, I'm all laughing and stuff and talking over here, and this one's all quiet.
Like a bubble.
He's a black chicken.
Black Jesus, though.
He ain't no black Jesus, he's a black chicken.
If y'all's little black chickens start getting into my little yellowish white chicken, I'm gonna beat the crap out of all y'all.
What if it's Goku? He's gonna eat you.
I'd hurt you.
That'd be so funny if mine was the only guy.
He's gonna blast
all
you.
y'all.
He's gonna blast you.
Goku's a girl.
Dad, if Goku's a girl, then
Oh yeah, sorry.
then her name is Amy.
Why Amy?
I don't know.
Chi-Chi.
No.
Bloomers.
Yeah, bloomers. There you go. Yeah, it's Bulma then. Bulma.
Bra. Or Bola.
Aww. Goku / Bulma woke up.
I'll see what it does. You show mine.